What is the G letter? Circle it. Wait. G. Eh? Circle the G letter. Trace the dot, beta. You want? Beta. G for this one also G, beta. Circle it. Print mistake. Sai Swati cheppale. What is the H? Circle it. Alright. B for ball. Where is the H? Circle it. What is this, Sai Satvik? I for? Circle it, ice cream. Right. Caterpillar. E for elephant. F for fish. వస్తలేదా? నేను వస్తానులే. Match it. Apple. Where is the apple? What is this? Match it. Next, what is this letter? See the picture. See, what is this? C. C for? Match it. Next, F for? Flower. Match it. Wait. G for? What is this letter, beta? What is this? Say grapes. G for grapes. Where is the grape? Match it. Trace the dot, size Advik. Dot. Join the dots. Trace it. Yuvan. Where is the G letter? G. Circle it. Same. Where is the G? Circle. Yuvan. Only G. Where is the G? Show me. Circle it. Circle. Take eraser. Adya. Where is the G? This one also G, beta. Print mistake. Circle it. Where is the G? Show me. Circle it. Completed. Where is the H? Circle. H. Circle. H. Where is the H? Circle. You want? Very good boy. Circle. Sai Satvik. Trace neatly. Rub. Any mistake, rub it and trace the neatly. Sai Satvik, you are good boy now. Trace it. Where is the I? I for ice cream. Circle it. Go. Pratiksha, you drink the water, beta. Circle. I for ice cream. Tracing completed. Go. I for ice cream. Go. Trace. Completed. Take pencil. Match it. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? Match it. Next. D for it. What is this? You want?
Duck.
Next. C for
Teacher.
cat. Where is the cat? Match it. Next. What is this? Match it. What is this, beta? You want? Beta. Match. Say you want. Next. G for what is this? Grapes.
Yes.
Match it. Completed. Size are big. Turn the page. Trace the dots. Beta. Grapes. You want. Match the dots. Join. Trace it.